Okay, alright. So now you have learned, okay, there is 4 basic elements of communication system. Okay, so one of it is a communication channel. Okay, so what is a communication channel? Okay, is an essential element of every communication system. Okay, actually, communication channel carry the data from one computer to another computer, from one device to another device. Okay, there are 2 categories of communication channels that connect sending and receiving devices, include physical and wireless connection. Okay, we have 2 categories of communication channels. Okay, the first one is physical connection, is using wire or cable, and another one is a wireless connections. Okay, so we go one by one. The physical connection, okay, is between sending and receiving device include, okay, there is 3 physical connection: twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, and fiber optic cable. Okay, so twisted pair, okay, cabling is the types of wiring in which 2 conductors of a single circuit are twisted together for the purpose of improving electromagnetic compatibility. Okay, the advantages, okay, of a twisted pair cable is cheapest form of cable available of networking purposes, and is also easy to handle and install. Okay, next is about coaxial cable. Alright, sometimes known as coax cable, is an electrical cable which transmit radio frequency signals from one point to another point. The technology has been around since early 20th century, with these cables mainly being used to connect satellite antenna facilities to home and businesses, thanks to their durability and ease of installation. Okay, advantages of coaxial cable are inexpensive, easy to wire and install, and also easy to expand. Okay, alright, and the last one is about fiber optic cables. Okay, fiber optic cables are network cables that contain one or more transparent optical fibers that are used to carry light. Okay, the optical fibers are typically glass or plastic pipes contained in a protective tube, suitable for long distance, very high performance data networking and telecommunications. A key advantage of fiber optic cables over metal conductor cables is superior performance in terms of bandwidth and data carrying performance. Okay. Wireless connection. Okay, so the second types of communication channel other than physical connection is wireless connection. Okay, wireless connection do not use a solid substance to connect sending and receiving devices. Okay, the data is moved through the air. Okay, the primary technologies used for wireless connections are Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, microwave, WiMAX, LTE, infrared, and satellite connections. Okay, so infrared technology. Okay, this is a method of transferring data without the use of wires. A common example of an infrared device is a TV remote. However, infrared is also used with computers and devices like a cordless keyboard, cordless mouse, and infrared touch screen. Okay, so Bluetooth is a short-range radio communication standard that transmits data over short distances up to 33 feet. Okay, Bluetooth is widely used for wireless headsets, printer connections, and handheld devices. Okay, next is about Wi-Fi. What is a Wi-Fi? Wi-Fi or wireless fidelity. It uses high frequency radio signal to transmit data. A number of standards for Wi-Fi exist, and each can send and receive data at a different speed. most home and business wireless networks use Wi-Fi. Okay, and then we have WiMAX. Okay, is a new standard that extends the range of Wi-Fi networks using microwave connection. WiMAX is commonly used by universities and others to extend the capability of existing Wi-Fi network. Okay, so another wireless connection is LTE, long-term evolution. Okay, LTE is one of the newest wireless standards. Currently, LTE and WiMAX connections provide similar performance. LTE, however, promises to provide greater speed and quality transmission in the near future. Okay, theoretically, the data speed are 10 times faster than a normal 3G. Okay, alright, and then we have cellular radio. This is a radio communication based on a network of transmitters, each serving a small area known as a cell, used in personal communication systems in which the mobile receiver switches frequencies automatically as it passes from one cell to another cell. Okay, and then we have microwave. Microwave is a communication through high frequency radio wave. It is sometimes referred to as line of sight communication because microwave can only travel in a straight line. Okay, for longer distances, the wave must be relayed by means of microwave stations with microwave dish or antennas. Okay, and then we have satellite. Okay, is amplified microwave that use point-to-point communication to relay devices, the satellites, orbiting 22,000 miles above the Earth. Okay, it will rotate at a precise point and speed above the Earth, amplify and relay microwave signals from one transmitter on the ground to another. Okay, and then satellite also used to send and receive large volumes of data. It will the communication. Okay, but disadvantage of satellites communication, interferences can occur in a bad weather. Okay, satellite also used by global positioning system (GPS) devices and also used by many smartphones, including Apple iPhone. Okay, so this is an example of microwave relay station.